Hi, it's Dave from RenKit. Welcome to the RenKit Garage. Today we're going to start installing the BTR-3 Bluetooth Retrofit kit into this 997 Turbo. This is a 2007 Turbo. I believe the GT3s are the same. This is the Navi system down here. It's a DVD player, holds the navigation disc. We're going to pull this panel out and put the fiber optic loop on the end of the fiber optic cable at the bottom of this player. The bottom carpet comes out. Now we have room to see the plastic panel around the DVD player. I'm going to remove this right side, removing it. Now I can reach the bottom of the housing. Just lift that off. Oops. This is the DVD player here. I'm going to take the loop that we have here. I'm going to take this loop and plug it into this cable right here, like that. That completes the loop where this DVD player is. Now I'm going to button it all back up and we'll test it.